Do you have a KitchenAid and want to make ice cream? Well, this accessory will take care of that for you. I was just given this for a review, so let's open it up and make some ice cream. To start, you get this great manual. It is really simple to make ice cream with this. You can find any recipe you want online, and it also comes with quite a variety of ice creams and sherbets and all sorts of different treats you can make with it. Now I'm gonna make some chocolate ice cream. So I'm gonna pop this open and take out my KitchenAid bowl, and I'll pull out my ice cream bowl from the freezer. As you can see, it is ice cold. It is ready to go. Make sure you do not put any ice cream in this until your KitchenAid is running, because it will start cooling your cream down real fast. Now this can hook into the arms on a larger KitchenAid or twist right onto mine. So I'm gonna twist it on here. And I'm making sure it's really tight. And then I'm going to add this little attachment right here. Basically just slides right on and pops in. So it holds on like that and will spin. And this is where you put in the blender. It doesn't actually fully hook, it's just pushing against these whirring mechanisms. You'll see it kind of has just this piece right here. So it's really easy to put it in once your cream's going, and it'll just stay in. I'm gonna slide it in there for now. So that is ready to go, and I have it locked. So now I'm gonna turn it to stir, and I'm gonna use this lovely spatula. It came with the whole kit, and I'm gonna pour in my cream. Now I'm making a super small batch. This is a single serving, and I love that about this. You can make large servings for a whole crowd or a small serving for yourself. As long as this is in the freezer, just blend up some ingredients real quick, toss them in, and in 20 minutes, you're gonna have some delicious soft serve ice cream. So it's been 20 minutes and we now have soft serve, so I'm gonna serve it up. I can just pull this right up, pull it right out. Look at that. That is so delicious looking. And now at this point, I can eat it as soft serve, or I can put it in the freezer and it will get harder. Depending on what type of ice cream you make, when you put it in the freezer, it'll get really hard. And so then you'll want to make sure you thaw it afterwards. But I love this because I can eat this right now. That's perfect. I have ice cream and it's really, really good. I love that I can make any type of ice cream I want. And I love that as long as I have this in the freezer, I seriously can make ice cream on a whim. As long as I have some ingredients in my cupboard, I'm good to go. Now cleaning it is super simple. These pieces can all go in your dishwasher. Just make sure you put them in the top rack, or you can just rinse them off. This needs to be hand washed. This piece doesn't get very dirty. Everything comes off more easily when it's warm, but it really comes off quite easily anyway because it warms up really fast. And now the final piece. It's already pretty much empty in there, just like that. And the outside doesn't get dirty at all. I love the outside of this. It's so pretty. And then once you have it all washed, just do a quick dry. And since mine is still ice cold, I gotta dry fast or my cloth will stick to it. But it's still very, very cold in there, and it'll be ready to be used faster because of that. And that is ready to put back in my freezer. A beautiful piece, works so well. I'm really impressed. And that's all thanks to this fantastic stand mixer attachment. I will definitely be using this all the time.